yeah, 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 yeah. What you follow me for? Where you come down here for? Go back up, man.
Me nah go back up.
Why you do that? Why you leave your yard and them out here make take you out of the yard?
Me want come with you.
You need to come out of the yard.
Me want come with you.
You can't manage. We are going to look for big boy.
Me want come with you.
Remember to me warn you, know. So if you get beaten, don't blame me.
Me come with you.
Come on and make sure you behave some kind of love here. You hide and come out of the yard and then next thing they go say me take you out of the yard. You think I want to get no lick, especially my father, dark and fool. And if you want to come here, you should walk, jump. Jump like me, yeah. Yeah. Bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Yeah. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Little boy, come here. You're a big boy. Sorry. You're a big boy, you're a little boy. Come over here, sir, to me. How are you do this, sir?
I want to chuck me on me.
You want make one chuck? How what do you want chuck, so big boy? You know how to chuck in this already? You still make chuck. So that not enough.
Me see some boy around the road with when they make chuck out of box and I have to make one by myself.
Me go to the road, go collect one money from one and my friend them because I want to go 80 go find out who thief the rest of the money where you say you put down. Because you say you put down the money and I don't believe you.
You put down the money, mommy.
Well, me I go 80 if you go find out who take my money.
And me take it.
And me have to get it back.
So mommy, I go eat, mommy.
Where you go eat? Eat the Jesus. Where am I go eat? Me not have no money. You're lucky you have somewhere to sleep. You can't ask me about where you go eat. Me I go to the road go collect the money. You're deaf. And me have to buy my plane ticket to go at 80 and when me come back, we will hear who have the money. So anybody who thief me money, you see when me come back, you want to know how them I go? Nah, but that's sure you want to see it? Eh?
Yes, mom.
Then have to go ball and tell me and beg and say, I me take your money, Candy, I me have your money, Candy, sorry if you take your money, me want back my money. Where you look for me suffer?
Nothing, mom.
You don't know, so then have to go walk and talk, say, I me take your money, Candy, I me have your money, me I go give you back your money. Then have to tell me. So who say, big boy, if you know, say, you put down the money for you, you know.
Mommy, I know me take it, mommy.
Me can't know, you know, you have to know, you know.
Mommy, me your son, mommy.
So if you know, say you put it down for two, me still no know. So it me I go find out. So if you know, say you no put it there, because something bad go happen to that there's somebody there too. So if you know, say you no put it down,
I know me.
tell me I no make me bad go. Me we no bad go, cause me no want nothing happen to me son.
Mommy, I know me, mommy.
I know you.
No.
And me aware them here when me have on. Me nah bed until me come back. You know why? The little money when me send you for where me want give the woman. The money for him pick me hand where you broke and use the rest buy soap, bleach and little food and pay little bills in ya. He gone. Now me no have no soap. If wash me clothes them, so me not even can bathe neither, can not even water bill me can't pay for. You understand? Water gone. So anyway you forget water from and bathe before me come back, you better bathe with the source of water cause me, Candy, don't have no soap. So if you want to go chat with your friend them, because I know you love chat, you know. Say me mother gone at 18 and no bathe. Go and go tell them because you chat too much.
Mommy, me can't bathe myself, mommy.
You can't bathe yourself. Alright, guess what? Be like your mother. So the mother, so the son. Me nah bathe. I see me I got 80, so you no bathe till me come back. When me come back, me I go rich. Because you see place I 80 where me I go? When me come back, me have to have money. You go have everything where you want. Me I go have money like what? You know what I said? My friend will lend me the money. Me I go collect you know. She buy me ticket. She said me figure her 200,000 for the 100,000 where she a go lend me.
What our name 200,000, mommy? How much money that?
200,000, 1, 2. I dip on your finger, me gone. You ask too much question. But members if you stay in a yard and don't left out there. What me say?
Alright, mommy. Can I one chicken patty for me with
Chicken
cheese?
patty? Boy, when me come back from 80, me have to reach. You go get shrimp patty. Boy, your chicken patty, you idiot. Me soon come.
Alright.
Stay in a yard. And go wash your dirty plate then.
Yes, mommy.
And wash your dirty socks them. Anyway, you have to get water from Galanga River.
Yes, soup. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm on the street, I patrol, man, I make sure everything alright because I want to know say street them alright, you know? With the we out in the street, in the town, you know? Yes, man, we are work hard. We are work hard. Yeah, man. The vehicle. Hey, turn the vehicle from there, sir. Go that way, don't park there, sir. Yes, soup. How that works, soup? We want to know if everything good, you know what I mean? With the way in the streets, then. Yeah, man. I write some ticket I know, so I'm kind of busy here. I mean, if you write some ticket, I make sure everything alright. Yes, nah, man, Officer Spoony, I don't know him there, you know, because it look like him can write one ticket across the road. I see him there across the road, write a ticket. Yeah, man, we work hard, soup. Come on, with good soup. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Alright, boss. Cool. You're dirty bum, right? So I'm going. Walk well. You know some needs to go check the partner lady. $20. Somebody can find it. Walk on this. What is in the yard? Did you have video? story, you know. It's a story on TV, you know. Navi,
Yes, sir.
good afternoon. How you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Everything alright?
Yeah, man.
My name is Officer Smiley, you know, and I'm doing a little investigation around the area, you know, the partner money. But
Yes,
is
sir.
you the partner lady?
Yes, sir. Me a partner lady.
And you give Big Boy the money?
Yes, sir.
So Big Boy tell you anything about losing any money?
Not at all. We just give him money. He have it.
So were you at the party?
No,
You was not at the party?
no.
Because them say some money missing up, the same money missing up at the party.
Well, me just give him and that's it. Me don't know.
You don't know about it?
Nothing, nothing.
And then I have no clue who take the money.
No, me not that I know.
And nobody talking about the
Not
money
that
missed
I-
up.
Not that I know.
Not that you know of.
No, sir.
I hope you're telling the officer Smiley the truth,
Yes,
you know.
sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back because Officer Spoonie might come back around here and find some information. Because we just investigating, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you don't know, you don't know.
Me don't know.
Alright, so have a wonderful day, man. My name is Officer Smiley.
Thank you, sir.
And make sure say if they tell you nothing, you call me and tell me.
Thank
You understand?
All right.
Alright, cool. Have a wonderful day, alright?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
What? Auntie change the shop. The
Grab-
shop will get bigger.
No, man, grandma. Where you go?
I want to come with you.
You can't come.
I want to come with you.
You know why you can't come in?
No.
I thought if you ask, remember what you did do the last time you thief grandma them out of the shop and talk about ants yam them out. You know if you come in and you people them property, you think grandma like you? Grandma don't like you, I tell you the truth. Maybe you're too brown. So stay here so me I go to daddy.
All right.
And don't move. Grandpa!
Just trying to make it. Tell you I'm a Negril boy. Just trying to make it.
Hey, then why you always try to tie them from the ground? Take them up. Take them off the ground, baby. Move me a bed.
All right.
I don't know what to do. Oh my God. Oh, what that there? That's
You're rich. You're rich. Yes. How that feel? A people in there, people come there, say come there, so people you. Out of that so. Oh, you out of that so. You can't come in and me hear the people, my daughter. Oh, you out of that so.
I'm sorry, miss. I'm sorry.
Look here, man. Me go make a complaint to your mother, you know, because no good now go come out of you. You understand? You come and go tell your whole father, you brought my son hand, and you not satisfied. Now you come now, and my daughter you gone people.
What you see a while ago? What you see? What you see?
I don't see no.
You sure?
I don't see no. You walk.
Hey boy,
Walk out. Walk out. I don't see no. Forest, me see.
Paris is what that's supposed to mean? Look here, man. Come go on your yard. Come go on your yard. Go on. Oh, yeah. I see me see him. Me play them, me did so I wash, and when me I wash the plate. I play them, me I wash. And when me look at him, me see I taking time. I come and I come peep on you there, so.
That's what I normally do then.
I hot harder, that means to say I know the first time I do it. Me say me no know what go happen to them and nowadays speaking, you know, because look which part you're there and look how far in leave from off a road and come over here and I come peep on you. A peeping Tom. Paris. What kind of Paris is it? No, me have to take bad thing make laugh. What kind of Paris is it? He can't see in there. That means to say he really see you for two then. He see you. You say I'm out of order? Me have to go tell him mother. And me go over there and go tell him mother and hear what she go say. What she have to say.
Yes, son, what do you?
Alright, Aiden, go on with it. Go on. Yeah, man. He's very out of order, man. He's out of order. And if you tell if you say ADC, you know, no way. Look here, man. You see the good thing, them don't know the good things, you know. Are the wrong, they know. Alright. Go and go bed. Me know say now go come back here now because you ain't get red-handed. He now go come back now. As a road fitness stay, man. Road fitness always afraid for lick, you know. Yes. Hey, boy. Hey, we will talk about you. How about cool kids you?
Damn lane, yeah, again. I hate to walk for that damn lane. How that brother? Are you from around here? You new? Yeah, man. Watch it, you know, make sure say nothing illegal, you know. Black hoodie. Easy for report here, you know. Only if you know that. Stay right there. You don't call nobody on the lane. I plan to call nobody on the lane. Worry myself. Quit and done that job, yeah. Don't worry myself. Officer Spoony there. They chuck up everybody. Get you understand, sir. This place is full of beer criminals or something. Shakaberry!
See me here.
Where you there?
See me right here, so. Where him come again? What happened now again?
You know where about me coming from? Come this way. I want to have a few words with you, man. Come
How
on.
we do again now, sir?
I know what you do again. Let me control everything. Alright, here we are going now. You remember one party where big boy went keep? And it is alleged that somebody stole the money. You hear about the money I miss up?
Yes, so what that have to do with me now?
It's not about what you have to do with you. It's that I want to know if you know about who took the money. If you say not do it, I have to go take your word for it, right? And more have to know if you know if anybody else you feel would take your money. Even if a big boy, if a Chucky, you understand? If a the little boy who live up the road there, what them lock up which day there, You understand? More if you know who take the money. There's an ex-girl in the party I want to see her. I hear she catch that thing and busy for a while. So I'm not really pressure her right now because I don't want to catch what she have. But what I'm saying to you is that you're sure you don't take the money?
No, I don't want no money.
And you alone live over here, so?
Mm-hmm.
And since the party, we have to go back right there again. Since the party, how has life been? Life been good? You've been spending a lot of money and enjoying yourself?
Life hard like always.
Life hard like always. Alright. This is just a random question, right? So make sure say you not go nowhere.
Yeah.
No left town, stay in the area, come here to investigate and know who, know what, from what them don't know about the money. If them find out who have the money, take the money and all these things. Alright? So remember that my name is Officer Smiley. Keep yourself active. Yeah man, go on back in your house and go and do your thing and we shall gather. Alright?
Right.
But if you hear anything, don't be shy to call along on the station and ask for me. Don't talk to anybody else down there.
Yeah.
Just talk to me personally. Alright? Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Like she look like she know what I'm going. And then, if me, I'll check my officer friendly.
Yes, somebody here then carry come man. But the pants ain't tight still. And the boot no look so bad. The back, me know say will come late, but I appreciate it still man. You make me look boss in the morning, yeah. Everything white out. Thank you man, thank you. Boy, I tell you, tell you say, these things turn themselves out good. Just as the plum tree down and I get a little work and the money run out. See, God bless you if you send a little thing go and give me and send me a pair of suit and pair of this and pair of that. Yeah man, we feel like me thing happier now. Me thing happier, me thing out there. Alright. We talk man. Bless you, bless you, bless you. We talk. Well, look different. Alright, later.
So are you thief my mother money? Are you thief my mother money?
What are you talking about?
You have on new shoes, new clocks, and you have on are you thief my mother gonna eat me sorry for you. Me sorry for you thief my mother money Rasta and I can't tell like for me. I make me get beaten because of it.
What are you talking about now, big boy?
The money where you thief over my mother yard yesterday.
I thief money from my yard.
Yes. Look how you look. Look how you look.
Big boy, remember say yesterday when you take the money from the people that see you roll up a bag of money and you come in at the house, right? You come in the house, you go buy drinks with Popeye and everything, then you keep big dancing at night. You know money to keep a dance? You spend your mama money. You see the police boy tell you what me do to him. You tell him to run. Let me tell you one thing man. I am a farmer. You know what I mean? And people send some things from foreign. I mean, I have receipt to them come from foreign. You know what I mean? So, you know why you don't say it one more time? You say you're small, you broke your hand and broke your foot, and then win the case same way. Because you go say things which you're not sure about. Right?
And my mother money buy that. I mean, wait so till my mother come. I tell him say you're up here.
Alright, you know what go on? I want you to tell your mama say, none of your friends still know, but since you come forward in this vibration and now, and accuse I and I have people, I want you go and tell your mama say, if you come and say that to me, because you're young, the law won't take you serious. You know what I mean? Until you broke your foot and broke your hand and bust your head. But differently, go and go tell your mama say, see me people money. We don't go tell her now. No, but say go on anywhere she there. If she gonna 80, you not too late. Go and go tell her say, and me have it then. Go and go tell them say me have it. Tell all England, tell the police say, if you come check me again, and me have it. Go on.
Just wait.
Go and go tell them.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, Juta. I'm going to send Clarice to you because I'm going back to America, and when I get there, I'll send her a few things.
So what are you doing? You change your flight?
Yes, I changed it. I'm leaving now.
So what's the problem?
I have to go.
All right.
I have some business to take care of.
Do whatever you're doing.
Okay. All right, pal. Clarice. Come. Okay, Clarice, I've just talked to your father. He's expecting you because I have to leave today and go back to America.
But mommy, me no want to go down.
Oh, don't be sad. I'm going to send you some nice stuff when I get here. I have to take care of some business.
Okay.
Okay. You have everything you need?
Yes, mommy.
All right. I want you to be good. And I love you.
Yes, mommy.
And I'll be in touch with you, okay?
Yes, mommy.
All right.
Boy, your sister come out the road, so go meet her.
Where's it, Daddy?
Your sister come out the road, so go meet her.
So why you not go on, Daddy?
Brother, just go do it. I would a boy, man.
Every day is a different sister. Oh! Give me back. I didn't look at that. You couldn't carry
I said to my back, pa.
my bigger brother. I look in there for food in there. I see that. You boy, if your mother, all the water your mother feed upon. Water alone.
Daddy. Carry in her bag and go show her in her house. Introduce her to her grandfather.
But no snacks in my bag, Daddy.
Me no snacks no in her bag, so that's why I bring it back, come give me. What a dirty boy, but buy 2 cheese chips for you and her with this man. I'm going in, go sit down here.
Yes, Daddy.
Grandpa, you get new granddaughter.
Big boy, you know what your style me do?
What do you mean, my style?
What if you tell the policeman say me did their party? And you know say me never did a party.
Boy, you did there in our yard today.
Me never did it. Remember say me ask you.
You are fire the day in our yard today, and you thief, if you are fire thief in money, wait, my mother say I got other man.
You know say me ask you to come to my party and you say me can't come. So if you tell the
No,
policeman.
because I did an all-inclusive girl party, and me and Chucky alone did it. It was a girls' all party.
You're a bait man, a style, your style.
Who you call?
You.
What?
You. You go tell lie for me, you're a bait.
Who you call me?
You.
I know that, touch me now.
I'm afraid of you.
You can't do me no.
I'm afraid of you.
You can't do me no.
You.
Hot party, who bounce it out?
You should make it touch me or touch me, Chuck.
Lick it,
I'm
boy,
afraid
lick
to lick
it.
you.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say.
I'm afraid of you.
Hold me back, hold me back, hold me back.
Hey,
Hold me
what's
back,
that?
hold me.
Ah, boy, you see it?
Hold me.
You see who there, sir? You see who a 2 gun there, you know? 1 fear, you know? You upgrade now, you know? What one, sir?
Boy, I want.
Boy, want to say what? Shut him out.
Tell lie for me.
What you want to say?
I tell lie for me.
You? Them let you out.
I him the thief my mother money.
Me never
Them
done
let
that.
you out. Hello, let me tell you something. This when me attack, I don't want no dog back. You understand that?
No dog no there.
Where you shake hand for? Something wrong in your hand them? Eh?
No,
And them hot?
somebody, I go get gunshot.
Go stand over there, sir. Go stand over there, sir, right now. Cool out over there, sir. Over there, sir. Boy, hot party, who can stand and go? It must be a juicy party this. Let me tell you something now. You know. You're ball already. I think I have a problem, you know. I just feel like you have a problem for some reason. Because you have your big old chuck. You
The boy come down and want tell lie for me, but call me idiot.
Who let you?
Tell lie for me.
Who let you? Who let you touch it? Wait.
You see it?
What candy? The candy there? Candy in the place there?
My mother not there.
Come go in.
Shall make it touch.
Come go in that place and shut him out. Take up a shot and go in that place.
Shall make it, shall make it. Beer. Who we are called beer? Yes, to me, sir.
Come here, little boy. Come. Tell me something. Who let you?
A bail me get.
Bail get from who?
My mother bail me and you have one lawyer.
Your mother have one lawyer upon what?
The case.
Which case? The case over here, sir? With candy?
Yeah.
With the money business? So then you take your money, boy?
I know me take your money, me never there.
You never there? So who you big boy in an argument now because you never there? Who you come a big boy here? You left all the way from where you come from on a bush. And come a big boy here, come do what? Come interrogate
talk to him.
Talk to him and a fight?
Come and tell lie for me.
Till somebody else say hot party, who can cool it? Eh? I'm going to tell you something, man. Don't come back on here, sir. And you see that the liar case there? Tell him to cancel it. You understand me, I say? Step away from here, sir. Right away. I saw you live. Go, sir. Oh, hot party, who can cool it? Young girl, come to me. Step to me right here, sir. Where you come from?
Over there, sir.
You look like a puss. Yeah, you look like a puss. Brown like a puss. Your teeth? You sure your teeth? I don't trust you. Why you over here, sir? I have over candy place. Eh?
Missy, if I go on and I want to go in there.
You want to go in there? Come on, sir. Step away from the place. Step away right now, quickly. Look like a thief. Hey, big boy, come here to me. Step to me. Why I feel I'm first draw, I'm going to just bust 2 shots and make you know I'm serious. Because for some reason, you don't take me serious, you know. Me out there start telling you to stop and you don't want to stop because what? You feel I'm going to bust a gun? Anyway, I want to talk to you. I'm here to talk to you when you stand steady, man. Where your mother there?
My mother not there.
So where your mother gone?
In Ghana, Oberman. In Ghana, 80. He said he might go feed man to find out OT for money. He left well early this morning and me have to make my own breakfast this morning.
What you say about Oberman?
In Ghana, Oberman, well early this morning, he said,
which Oberman?
He said,
Safa?
His mommy say, my mother say, anybody thief for money,
Mm-hmm.
I go grow and I say, money.
Tap now, no boy, tap.
And can't tap.
Let me say. Can't tap. What do you mean by? So, you have a number? Eh?
Me no, I'm to know my mother number. My mother no, me don't know my mother number.
You know your mother number?
No.
Alright, guess what I'm going to do? Me I go, and then me I forward back. But hopefully me come back when Candy there so me can have a good talk with her. So, you never see me here basically. Yes, sir? You hear me say?
So which part you there? No right there, see you turn
No worry about me there. Abracadabra. No, you see me? No, you don't.
Paradise Nation, Richard Brownfield. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, Candy, she say, one thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It are gonna help you fit do your homework. You see that little boy named Chucky, feeling friendship really now work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his trucks, everything seems alright. Hey, just the other day, police start checking on the lane. Hey, whilst that boy preaching, the words not reaching. Now I'm going for your church, boss. Not a Bout you a check for me sister. No, go and go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system a twister. But you are part of the system what we fix up. Hey, step away. Oh, step away. Whoa. Oh, big boy, I gotta be a big boy. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right?